So hi, my name is Vince Ocampo. So today we're going to discuss is what is health informatics. Okay. So it uses information technology to organize and analyze health records. So basically, it gives and improves the healthcare outcomes of our patients. And next is it gives advantage to medical records for electronic access to medical records for. So basically, it helps our patients, doctors, and nurses, and also hospital administration in gathering data or medical records. So in this program of health informatics, it covers a lot of medical field such as informatics, telemedicine as usual, and teletherapy, and consumer health informatics, and also international healthcare system. So to further elaborate this question, I'm going to call Miss Ajen for to present the what is health informatics.
Hi, I'm Aijen Ocampo. In addition, we know that technology at this era is really fast-paced, and the things that we used to do traditionally or manually are now replaced with technology. Another explanation of what health informatics is that it is actually an evolving specialization that links information technology, communications, and healthcare to furthermore improve the quality and safety of the healthcare. So it is also a term that describes the acquisition, the storage, retrieval, and use of healthcare information to foster better collaboration among the patients and the healthcare professionals. So that's it for the meaning of an explanation of what is health informatics.
Hi, I am Diane.
Hi, so I am Raymond Jr. A. Maadangda.
And I am going to talk about the relevance of health informatics in the PT profession.
First, patient participation. So when patients have electronic access to their own health history and recommendations, it empowers them to take their role in their own healthcare more seriously. Patients who have access to care portals are able to educate themselves more effectively about their diagnosis and prognosis. So, health informatics allows individuals to feel like they are a valuable part of their own healthcare team because they are. So,
Shared knowledge. There is a reason why medicine is also preferred to as practice, and it's because healthcare providers are always learning more and honing their skills. Health informatics provides a way for knowledge about patients, diseases, therapies, medicines, and the likes to be more easily shared, as knowledge is more readily passed back and forth between providers and patients. The practice of medicine gets better, something that aids everyone within the chain of care, from the hospital administrators and physicians to pharmacists and patients.
so increased coordination. Healthcare is getting more and more specialized, which means most patients receive care from as many as a dozen different people in one hospital stay. This increase in specialists requires an increase in coordination, and it's health informatics that provide the way forward. So health informatics makes the necessary coordination possible.
Health informatics is changing is in improved outcomes. Electronic medical records result in higher quality care and safer care as coordinated teams provide better diagnosis and decrease the chance for errors. Doctors and therapists are able to increase efficiency, which frees up time spent with patients, and previously manual jobs and tasks are automated, which saves time and money, not just for the hospitals, clinics, and providers, but also for the patients, insurance companies, and state and federal governments too. And lastly, it is the decrease in cost. One
So one of the biggest complaints from patients and even healthcare providers is that healthcare is expensive and even wasteful at times. A lot of money is spent on repeat procedures when multiple doctors are seeing a patient and are unaware of procedures that have already been done. Some patients are unaware of what tests they're receiving or why. So this can save thousands of dollars for the patients, the insurance company, and the healthcare providers.
Good afternoon. So we're going to be answering the question, what is the relevance of health informatics in the PT profession?
In today's environment, we are using technology in various ways that also change how the healthcare and healthcare institution work.
Physiotherapists also adapts to these changes. They are also work in information technology environment and use computers in electronic health records, or EHR for short, in every clinical practices.
Documentation in physiotherapy as an essential part of clinical process and way of showing evidence of practice.
Information also may be gotten from their first visit and is stored electronically, so that every time that their information may be needed, their data is in the system already for easy retrieval of data.
This information in physiotherapy plays an important role in planning, assessment, intervention, evaluation, education, and research.
Properly and time retrieval of data also has a significant impact on the quality of process in physiotherapy to be able to provide quality service.
Documentation is a tool that describes physiotherapy assessment, outcomes, intervention, and evaluation of physiotherapy process. The use of electronic health records in physiotherapy provides continuous monitoring of patients' condition, the availability of data, continuity of physiotherapy care, chronological overview of results and evaluation, as well as in physiotherapist training and research.
And lastly, AHR serves as a database repository that is available to other physical therapists and all healthcare professionals. And that's why what we think is the relevance of health informatics in the PT profession. Thank you.
Health informatics is the field that deals with the storage, retrieval, sharing, and optimal use of health information, data, and knowledge for problem solving and decision making. So there are a lot of benefits of health information. So first is organized and coordinated treatment process. So health informatics makes the process of sharing protected health information between organizations and providers really hassle-free. So through this, patients are able to get seamless and coordinated treatment from healthcare providers, which results to improves the delivery of care and outcomes of the patients. Next is it improves patient safety. So health informatics is an easy access to patients' data, where it saves all the informations and share across multiple databases to improve the safety of the patients. It get alert notification whenever there are issues related to patients' health, and which can help in avoiding committing any serious mistakes that happens due to lack of details. Next is betterment in patient care. So health informatics collects and saves patients' information, including diagnosis reports, medical history, vaccinations, test results, and many more. It provides the healthcare providers a complete and orderly framework that helps them interact with their patients in a better way, which will help to deliver care to them in a more efficient way. And then next benefit is it is a hassle-free process of performance analysis. So with health informatics, it reduces paperwork and makes every record computerized. It takes any decision related to staff based on their skills. So patients get to share reviews regarding the level of care they receive so that the healthcare professional can be aware of the performance of their staffs and analyze the effectiveness of the organization. And then next benefit is transfiguration in clinical procedures. So health informatics can address any kind of stress situations for your patients. It has a virtual view of patient flow and a patient's experiences during the meeting with the healthcare providers, administrative personnel, lab technician, and the financial assistants, which will help in the spotting the areas where you can bring betterment.
Okay, so next is the circumvention of medical errors. As we all know, when we do a paperwork or we write or we do written documentation, we usually make a lot of errors. And with the help of health informatics, it will be lesser and it will be more convenient for the one who are documenting. Okay, next is instant and seamless accessibility to patients' details. So this one is the health sectors collects the data and analysis data and ensures their overall quality, relevance, and timeliness. Also converts data into information for health-related decision-making, such as implementing any regulations, execute any regulations, conduct health research, training, and development program. Have a check on service delivery. Next is saving of time. So saving of time is by making all the patient's information computerized and personal activities automated. Save a significant amount of time in making patient care coordinated and hospital management seamless. So as we all know, when we do written documentation, it takes a lot of time for a practitioner to actually finish those tasks. And with the help of health informatics, it will be easier for them to document, and as well as it will save a lot of time from them, that instead of writing, they will start interviewing the patient via computer or any other platforms that they have in the hospital. For the last benefit is the improved patient satisfaction. Make the daily job of healthcare providers and administration easy, but also improve the satisfaction level of the patients. And patient can rely on your service. So since that the patient is knowledgeable already about the health informatics, therefore they will have this confidence in you that their data will be safe and secure in the hospital, and there will be no other informations that are going to be releasing outside the premises of the hospital. So therefore, you're not just only having the benefit of the health informatics by yourselves, but also for your patients as well. So I hope that you learned a lot from the informations that we have provided for you, and that you are now knowledgeable about the benefits of the health informatics for all the health practitioners, not just for physical therapies.